This video is for the Real News Project Assignment 2. First, you're going to go into Google Drive and open up your project that you started last class. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to slide 2 and you're just going to click and drag to highlight the title of Article 1. And then from there, you're going to copy it, hit Control-C on your keyboard. Open up a new tab, and then up at the top, you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard in order to paste it. And then find the article that you used and just go ahead and click on it. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click to highlight the URL and then hit Control-C on your keyboard. You're going to click to open a new tab, and in the new tab you're going to go to easybib.com. Then what you're going to do is click in the space under website and hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste the URL. Click on Cite It. And then from here you're going to click on Cite This. And then you're going to click on Continue to the final step. Then you're going to scroll down and make sure that everything is filled in. And if not, you can always look back to the article and look for the author's name, the date. But anyway, if everything's filled in, you're just going to scroll down toward the bottom and click on Create Citation. And then from here, what you're going to do, you might have to scroll down a little bit, and you're just going to click and drag to highlight the citation underneath Hooray, Here's Your New Citation, and hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. Then from here, what you're going to do is click back over to your project.
Mrs. Higgins, please call the main office. Mrs. Higgins.
And you're going to click on slide 7, which should be your last slide, and then click on the plus sign in order to add a new slide. You're going to click to add title and type in Works Cited. And then from here, you're going to click underneath the title where it says click to add text. You're going to do a 2-finger click on your touchpad and choose Paste Without Formatting. And then from here, you're going to hit the space bar, and that's going to turn the URL into a link. Next, what you're going to do is go over to slide 5. You're going to copy the Article 2 title. So click and drag to highlight, and then do Control-C on your keyboard. From here then, what you're going to do is open up a new tab and hit Control-V on your keyboard, and then find the article that you used. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on it, and then again we're going to click to highlight the URL, hit Control-C on your keyboard. You're going to click back over to the EasyBib tab and then click underneath Website, hit Control-V on your keyboard, and click on Cite It. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on Cite This. And click on Continue to the final step. Alright, and in this case, it didn't come up with the author, the publisher, or the date, so we're just going to click back over to the article. And Jeff Nelson is the author. October 20th, 2017 is the date, so we're just going to go ahead and click back over to EasyBib and add that information in. And then from here, we scroll down a little bit and click on Create Citation. If this pops up, just hit the orange button and just always say that you're under 13 and put in your gender and continue. And then from here, what you're going to do is click and drag to highlight your citation underneath Hooray, Here's Your New Citation. and hit Control C on your keyboard. You're going to click back over to your project and go back over to your last slide, slide 8, and click after your first citation and just hit enter, and then 2-finger click on your touchpad and choose paste without formatting, and then hit the space bar again to turn that into a link. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to add some pictures. Just going to add a picture for each of your websites that you used. So what we're going to do is we can actually just go ahead, open up a new tab, and the first article was about Tom Brady in the Super Bowl, so I'm just gonna look for Tom Brady Super Bowl trophy, and then click on images and find a picture that you like, and then what you're going to do is put your pointer on the picture, 2-finger click, and choose copy image, not save image, copy image. Click back over to your work and find one of your slides about that particular article, so for example slide 2, and then hit Control V on your keyboard. Now in the event that the picture's very big, in this case you probably need to shrink the picture. You might want to also move your text box, so it's totally up to you how you want to move it, but we can do this and then make our picture go here, and that way everything fits. Then from here what we're going to do is click back over to our Google search. We're going to click on visit in order to get to the website where this picture came from. We're going to click to highlight the URL, Control C, click back over to EasyBib, and then from here what we're going to do is click on all 59 options and click on digital image. From here what we're going to do is enter in the information about the image. So title you leave blank, description you would just say something like Tom Brady with Super Bowl trophy. And then what you'll do next is add in the website title, and you would just do that by looking at the website that it came from. And so Boston Herald is the title. So we would just go back over and website title, Boston Herald, and then leave the publisher blank, the URL. Just click in that space, hit Control V on your keyboard, and it'll paste. And just check to see if there's a date on the top, and in this case there is a date. It says February 6th, 2017. So we're just gonna go back over here and put in that date. And then we'll hit create citation, and you have to scroll down to see that button. Then from here what you're going to do is copy the citation, click and drag to highlight it, hit Control C on your keyboard, click back over to your work, go down to slide 8, click after your last citation, hit enter, then hit Control V on your keyboard, or actually not Control V, sorry, you're going to 2-finger click, paste without formatting, and then hit the space bar to turn it into a link. Then what you're going to do is add another picture that has to do with your second article. So in this case it was about Ed Sheeran, so I'm just going to open up a new tab and search for a picture about Ed Sheeran. So then what we're going to do is copy that picture. So click on images, and just find a picture, 2-finger click on the picture and choose copy image. Go back over to your work and 2-finger click and paste. And again, you might need to shrink the picture a bit. And then from here you're going to click back over to where you got your picture and click on visit. Next, what you're going to do is click to highlight the URL and hit Control-C on your keyboard. Click over to EasyBib, and you're going to click on all 59 options and digital image. Then from here, you're going to fill in the information about that picture. So leave the title blank again. Description should just be something like Ed Sheeran photo. Website title, again, look at the website to see the title. So independent, we do have a date, December 5th, 2014. So we're going to put independent for the website title, and the date down at the bottom, and then click where it says URL and hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste the URL, hit Create Citation, and then from here you're going to click and drag to highlight the citation. And hit Control-C on your keyboard, then click over to your work, scroll down to the last slide, click after your last citation, and hit enter, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard, and then last but not least, or actually not going to do Control-V, what we're going to do is 2-finger click paste without formatting and hit the space bar in order to make it into a link. So now we've got a link, and that's it.